Hello, let's talk about assembling of desktop computers. These are components we use in assembling desktop computers. Let's identify these components so that we can be able to know what we need when we want to assemble desktop computers. Now, we must understand that all these components, how they work, and what are their main functions. So I'm going to take this class bit by bit. After this first class, we're going to take the next. So let me show you the first component we need is the casing. The casing carries every other component inside the CPU, which is the desktop computer. So this is the casing, and these wires you see when you purchase a new casing, you see these wires inside. These are the power button wires, the speaker, the mic, the restart button, the USB. Those are the wires you are seeing inside. When you purchase a new casing, if you want to assemble your computer by yourself, you'll see those wires inside. Then the next we are going to identify here is the power pack, the power supply unit. This is a power pack, this is a power supply. Now this power supply, other time I'm going to teach you more about this power supply. This is the power supply we need. The other one is a microprocessor. This is a microprocessor we need in assembling our desktop computer. Though we have different type of microprocessor, and the next is our DVD-ROM. This is our DVD-ROM. This is where we put our software to install program into the desktop computers. And this is our SATA cable and our ID cable. Though ID cable is an old one, it's out of trend now, but most computers are still using it. This SATA cable. These are cable we use in connecting the either this is a RAM. This is a RAM. So it's a RAM memory for display. So we need a RAM. The next item here is the heatsink and the processor fan. This is a heatsink, and this other one at the top is a processor fan. This is what we need. This item here you see, we'll talk about it more other time in our next video. So the next one is our hard disk drive. This is our hard disk drive. Though this hard disk drive is a ID one, but we're going to talk about ID and SATA in our next video. So this is what we need. These are most of the components we need in assembling our desktop computer. This next one is our motherboard. This is our motherboard. All you see here, I talked about it in my previous video, identification of components on motherboard. All those devices I've been showing ever since you connect them to the motherboard. You understand? So please, this is our motherboard. Watch our next video. I will teach you on how we connect all these components, to the motherboard so that we can be able to have a working CPU, a working desktop computers. So please remember to subscribe to our video, like it, and drop your comments. Thank you. See you.